All right, guys, now let's get drawing again. I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to go here. I've got 1 and 2. And then I'm going to go 3 and 4. Now I'm going to connect here like this, guys. And I'm going to go out here. 1, 2, 1, 2. Imagine an invisible line coming this way, and you come down here by the eye, and I'm going to go down, and I'm doing that on both sides. Invisible line comes right out here, and I'm going to go down. Now from here, I want to curve around and back up. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. A nice ovally kind of shape. And I'm going to color that in, or black. I'm going to go down with a line and then an upside down V. For the body, I'm just going to come out here. I'm just going to go 1 and 2. And then we're going to do ears. So the ears are going to come off here, off the eye. Yeah, super weird. So I'm going to come off the eye. I'm going to go out like this and down. Then you go out and down like that. And I want it to kind of be pointy, but with a curve. Okay? And this one, we don't want it to go so high. So I'm going to come almost like his ear drops a bit. And I'm going to go this way. Then I'm going to do a big curve on this side. Go up. Okay? And then that way. Now for this dog, I'm only going to do one color. And I'm going to use a dark blue. And his ears are going to go dark blue. All right, one and then the other one as well. All right. Now the last detail I'm going to do, I'm going to give him a nice big spot. And I'm going to color that entire spot blue as well. Just like that. All right, guys, and there you have it. We've got our dog. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.